Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to install Spectrum TV app on Sony Bravia, App Store steps and workarounds. First, how to install Spectrum TV app on Sony Bravia. For newer Sony Bravia TVs, Google TV or Android TV, modern Sony TVs have native access to Google Play Store to install the apps. First, turn on your TV and ensure it is securely connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Then press the home button on your Sony remote control to launch the main dashboard. From there, navigate to the Apps tab present at the top of the screen. Now select the Google Play Store from your app list or select the search bar under your app and search for Spectrum TV using the on-screen keyboard or voice control. Then click Install on the official Spectrum TV app page to download it. Now open the app once installed and log in using your standard Spectrum username and password. For older Sony Bravia TVs, not Android or legacy models, use an external streaming device. Connect a separate streaming player like a Roku streaming stick, Amazon Fire TV stick, or Apple TV 4K to an open HDMI port on your Sony TV. You can download the native Spectrum TV app through those respective device storefronts or cast from a mobile device. Open the Spectrum TV app on your smartphone or tablet and ensure both your phone and the Sony TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then tap the Chromecast/cast icon inside the app to project the video directly onto the TV screen. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.